You've probably already seen it, but TikTok has been blowing up with both cookie and pancake cereal. So today I thought I would put the two recipes to the test to figure out which one is better. So we're gonna start with the cookie cereal, and we're gonna use a recipe by Cooking Classy. We're gonna start by mixing together our dry ingredients, so this includes flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. And I'm going to include all the directions and the ingredients in the description box below. Then we will melt the butter and cream it together with our brown sugar and granulated sugar. Then we'll add in an egg and vanilla extract as well. Once that's combined, go ahead and slowly add in your dry ingredients and mix until just combined. You don't want to overdo it. So at this point, you can go ahead and add in your chocolate chips as well and fold that in. But I wanted to mix it up and make different versions of these cookies. So I did a birthday cake version and a chocolate chip version. So first I just kind of scooped out the dough into 1 teaspoon dough balls, and then I just kind of rolled them up to make them look a little bit better. And then I topped them with the chocolate chips, or I topped them with rainbow sprinkles. Then we'll bake the cookies off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 5 to 6 minutes. They should be slightly underbaked. You don't want to overbake them, and they'll continue to cook once you get them out of the oven. So this part is very tricky, but you have to let them cool down before you can assemble your cookie cereal. Otherwise they'll be too soggy. But once the cookies have gotten a chance to cool down and firm up, you can go ahead, place them in a bowl, and then add the milk of your choice. I always opt for Oatly just because I'm lactose intolerant, and also it tastes so creamy and so good that I can't even tell I'm not drinking milk. Hashtag not sponsored. Hey guys, it's Rachel, and it is 10:30 in the morning right now. I woke up pretty early, in my opinion, during quarantine to make the cookie cereal that has been trending on TikTok. And I haven't tried it yet. It's been sitting in this Oatly for a little bit, but I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys right now. All right, I'm gonna go in with my first bite right now. I'm gonna eat a little bit more. It's good. Like, look at all these chocolate chips, guys. And look how soft it is. It's like it melts in your mouth. So the final verdict on the cookie cereal is a big thumbs up. It is bomb. If you don't have a sweet tooth, however, it may be a little bit sweet for you, but for me, no issues. So now I'm gonna finish devouring this entire bowl and probably regret it immediately after, but that is okay. Alrighty, now we're moving on to the classic pancake cereal, which is the trend that kind of first exploded on TikTok. I'm using this ube, mochi, pancake, and waffle mix from Trader Joe's, and it is super simple. I'm just following the directions on the back of the package. Basically, all you'll have to do is add in a little bit of water, oil, and an egg, and just whisk it together. And this recipe is really flexible. You can just use whatever pancake mix that you always use, or whatever pancake recipe that is your go-to. Once your batter has come together, go ahead and load it into a piping bag. And then on a skillet with medium to high heat, just put some oil or some butter on there and then start piping. Just remember, you want small bite-sized pieces, so it'll be like cereal. And then once it's cooked on one side and starts forming bubbles, just go ahead and flip it. And then repeat this process until you run out of pancake batter. It's super simple, and basically all you have to do afterwards is put your mini pancakes into a bowl, top it with a slice of butter and some syrup. Hey guys, it's Rachel, and I just finished making the pancake cereal that has been trending on TikTok. I decided to use Trader Joe's ube, mochi, and pancake waffle mix because that is what I had in my house. So here it is. It actually turned out bluer than I expected. I thought it would be purple because of the ube, but it's actually pretty blue. And I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys right now. All right, so I got some pancake cereal with some syrup and butter, and I'm going to try it out. I am actually kind of a fan of this.
You get a little bit more of that crispy edge because it's such a small pancake, so it's a little bit less dense and more crispy and chewy. It's definitely not overwhelmingly sweet like the cookie cereal, so this is probably a better breakfast item, to be honest. Like if I were to wake up in the morning and start my day, I would rather have this than a crap ton of cookies and milk. So the final verdict to determine which cereal is better, in my personal opinion, it would have to be, drumroll please, the Pancake cereal. I don't know why, I think the OG Pancake cereal just has something about it that is not too sweet, a little bit more refreshing, and something I would actually want to eat on a day-to-day basis. Don't get me wrong, milk and cookies is great, but when you have a whole bowl of it, it just kind of loses its magic and gets a little soggy. So I think, in my personal opinion, the Pancake cereal is the way to go.
That's it for this week's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.